Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to edit Google Maps location. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then, search for the location that you want to edit. For example, let's say I want to edit the location of this shoes Nepal. To do so, simply tap on it. And you need to slide this button section to left side of your screen until you find this edit button and tap on it. Now, tap on any of these options. And from here you can make changes to the information. If you want to edit the name, simply tap on it and type the name that you think that is correct. If you want to edit the category, simply tap on category, then select the category that you think that's correct. You can also edit the location, hours, phone number, and website. To edit the location, tap on location, then tap on edit map location. Then adjust the pin to the correct position. And when that's done, simply tap on the OK, which is on the top right of your screen. And when you are satisfied with the changes, simply tap on the submit button. And guys, that was it. This is how you change map location on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.